Hey, this is Alex from Zahntechnique, and as promised, we would like to show you and share with you our experiences on Lab Day in Chicago 2020. And this is the Bellus3D Scanner, so just enjoy watching.
Yeah, look here.
So we
Yeah.
have a tool in our software for lip line cutout.
Yes.
So you can remove the teeth and
Uh-huh.
then use the teeth from the intraoral scan. You can use teeth from the teeth library and
Uh-huh.
show before and after type
Yeah.
of stuff.
Yeah. So we have a smart design software. We can actually utilize this, putting it in and cutting as well the lips out and aligning it with the teeth. That's perfect. Awesome. Well, that's very interesting. So we just did in face scan with the Bellus scanner, right?
Bellus3D,
Yeah,
ARC
Bellus 3D.
system, that's right.
Fantastic. So I know the Bellus 3D from my iPhone. I actually have the scanner on my iPhone. This is much more detailed and much more accurate, actually. I think so. It looks amazing. And we just did a scan from my face and from Danielle's face. And so how does it work? Where do you usually set this up? In a dental office or a dental laboratory? What's the kind of the purpose? What do you think?
Yeah, it's a great question. So there's really a couple different ways that clinicians can capture scans.
Yeah.
One is using an iPhone or an iPad Pro, and this is our new ARC system that's used for more professional environments, maybe a little more high volume environments, or environments where people don't have movement, because with the single camera systems, you have to move your head. So the ARC system allows 3-second scans to occur with no movement, and it just makes a more professional high-grade capture.
That's yeah, it's faster, it's quicker, and it's definitely more accurate. That's true. So you see more the customer base on a dental laboratory side or on dentist side?
Is that dental clinician who needs to do the capturing, that they might buy an ARC system or they may have an iPad Pro or an iPhone,
Okay.
and they're going to send that scan to the lab, and the lab is the one that's going to do all the manipulation. So when it comes to, and you said this very correctly before,
Yeah.
when it comes to aligning the face to the teeth, or when it comes to the lip line cutout or all these different things, it's basically the lab that's doing that work, and the clinician is getting the positive result of all that.
Positive result, exactly.
A bunch of features inside of our software for things like midline, things like alignment of the face into the teeth scan, lip line cutout. So the software itself is designed for dental applications and meant for those kind of environments.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you so much. It was super exciting, super interesting, and I think you all see now dental is getting more and more digital, and we cannot stop it. We don't want to stop it, so it's very, very exciting what we're seeing here. And yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see more. We're super excited to share, and see you soon. Thank you.